Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you tired of battling hair problems and looking for a natural solution that actually works? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Nature's Remedies, your go-to channel for all things natural and healthy living. Today, we have a golden elixir that's going to transform your hair, a homemade hair growth oil. We've all faced the frustration of hair troubles, thinning hair fall, and slow growth. You're not alone. I've been there too, but worry not, because we're about to delve into a remedy that has been trusted for ages to address these issues. Before we jump into the recipe, let me reassure you that this remedy is backed by centuries of traditional knowledge, and there's scientific evidence to support its effectiveness. I'm not just a YouTuber, I've got a background in herbal medicine, so you can trust the info here. Let's get to it. Here's what you'll need for our hair growth oil: coconut oil, castor oil, aloe vera gel, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, a dash of patience and love. Now, follow these simple steps to prepare this magical potion. Let me take you through the preparation process, step by step. Making this hair growth oil is surprisingly easy, and you can do it in the comfort of your own kitchen. So, here's how it's done. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, a handful of curry leaves. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Start by taking a handful of fresh curry leaves and washing them thoroughly. Set them aside to dry. Take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and crush them into a coarse powder. This can be done using a mortar and pestle or a grinder. Step 3. Infusing the oils. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. To this, add the crushed fenugreek seeds. These seeds are rich in nutrients that promote hair growth. Heat the mixture on low flame until it starts to crackle and turn reddish brown. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the oil cool down. Once it's cold, strain the oil to remove the fenugreek seeds. Step 4. Adding aloe vera gel. Once the oil is at room temperature, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and hydrating properties for the scalp. Step 5. Infusing curry leaves. Now, it's time to infuse the oil with the dried curry leaves. The curry leaves are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your hair. Simply drop the washed and dried curry leaves into the oil mixture. Make sure to submerge them completely. Seal the container with a lid and let it sit in a cool, dark place for at least 3 to 4 days. This allows the oil to absorb the goodness of the curry leaves. Step 6. Straining and storing. After 3 to 4 days, strain the oil to remove the curry leaves. You're left with your homemade hair growth oil. Store it in a clean, airtight glass container. Make sure to keep it away from direct sunlight. Step 7. Application. To use. Warm a small amount of the oil by rubbing it between your palms. Massage the oil gently into your scalp and through the length of your hair. Leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours, or if possible, overnight. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual. Step 8. Consistency is key. Ask for the best results. Use this hair growth oil 2 to 3 times a week. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. That's it. You now have your very own homemade hair growth oil that's ready to bring life back to your hair. It's a simple and effective solution to your hair concerns, so give it a try and watch your locks transform into healthy, beautiful strands. Wondering how this hair growth oil works its wonders? Well, it's all about the power of these ingredients. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is the backbone of this hair growth oil. It's packed with essential fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss. This means your hair stays strong, less prone to breakage, and visibly thicker. Additionally, coconut oil is known for its antimicrobial properties, which can help maintain a healthy scalp, creating an ideal environment for hair growth. Castor oil. Castor oil is your secret weapon for promoting hair growth. It contains ricinoleic acid, which improves blood circulation to the scalp. Increased blood flow means more nutrients and oxygen reaching the hair follicles. stimulating growth. Castor oil also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, keeping the scalp healthy and free from infections. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish both the scalp and hair. It helps balance the pH level of the scalp and promotes a healthy environment for hair growth. Aloe vera also contains enzymes that can help cleanse the scalp, ensuring hair follicles aren't clogged or obstructed. Fenugreek Seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a treasure trove of nutrients, like proteins, nicotinic acid, and lecithin. These compounds strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. Fenugreek seeds are also known to stimulate hair growth, thanks to their hormone-regulating properties. They promote healthy hair follicles and combat hair thinning. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are a powerhouse of antioxidants, proteins, and beta-carotene. These nutrients strengthen hair shafts and prevent hair thinning. Additionally, curry leaves promote the production of melanin, which gives your hair its natural color. This means not only will your hair grow healthier, but it will also maintain its natural shine and color. Together, these ingredients create a potent blend that nourishes your hair, stimulates hair follicles, and maintains a healthy scalp. With regular use, this hair growth oil becomes the ultimate superfood for your hair, providing everything it needs to thrive and flourish. So, say goodbye to hair woes and hello to luscious, healthy locks. Trust me, it's like a superfood for your hair. Before you get started, a few handy tips. Be consistent in applying the oil. Perform a patch test if you have sensitive skin. If you have allergies, consult a healthcare professional. I've faced my fair share of hair struggles, from dealing with hair fall to wishing for faster growth. This hair growth oil became my go-to solution, and the results left me astounded. It's not just about the science, it's about personal experience. It's heartwarming to see so many people benefiting from this natural remedy, and it's why I'm so passionate about sharing it with you today. Your hair transformation story could be next. If you're as excited about this hair growth oil as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment with your experiences or questions. To sum it up, beautiful hair isn't just a dream. It's a reality with this natural hair growth oil. Remember, consistency is key. So be patient and watch those luscious locks grow. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check the video title and description for more details on this incredible hair growth oil. It's a game changer for your hair health. So, there you have it, the secret to long, thick, and healthy hair all in one bottle. Get ready to shine with your newfound hair confidence. Thanks for joining me today. Stay natural, stay beautiful. See you next time on Nature's Remedies.